Day 2 of moving. I want to cry. It's literally so bombarded. I'm so excited for her to walk through the door and like kind of see her reaction. Hello! Oh, so cute! Organizing all of her toys, gonna have all her books in one. Oh no, guys, we have a problem.
Hey, what's wrong?
Whenever I feel like I need a moment to myself, I don't have it.
You okay? Maybe I should help you. Perfect! Alright, you guys, day 2 of moving. Am I still wearing the same clothes as yesterday? You bet I am, because I literally packed all my clothes and I slept at the old house. So if there's anything you're gonna take from this, your girl is in desperate need of a shower. But it is so crazy to see some of my furniture here in the new place. This is how men unpack. They just drop everything everywhere. I mean, I couldn't expect them to know where everything was supposed to go, but it's just so insane how like this mirror is humongous, but in this space, it doesn't even feel that big. But I know that for sure it's gonna look so good once we're done with the decorating. I need a little rug here. Like, we gotta pull in these yellow gold wooden tones. We gotta pull them together somehow, but we're gonna do it. And then the kitchen, like, I want to cry. It's literally so bombarded with so much stuff, and like I have to figure out where to put everything. There's a lot of work here to do. Naomi's already kind of nestled in her favorite swing, so she's just chilling here. Let's go see what the upstairs situation is looking like. I love how much natural light there is in this house. All right, this is gonna be Aaliyah's room. This is gonna be Naomi's room. We gotta go and put everything the way we want it. And then this is our master. Obviously the orientation of the bed, I'm not crazy about it, so I gotta figure out a better way to do it. Guys, just look at how much natural light there is in here. Like, I'm gonna be doing so much get ready with me's, makeup tutorials and stuff here. Like, I don't even need to turn on the lights in this house in the daytime, which is honestly the goal. And remember my huge walk-in closet? That's gonna be really fun to start unpacking too. Yay! So I've been getting started with some cleaning. Doesn't look like I did much, but I actually washed the inside of all of the cabinets here and the fridge as well, so that everything is ready to stock. But Ellen and Aaliyah are actually back home from daycare, which, by the way, her daycare is literally a minute away from our new place, which is so convenient. I'm so excited for her to walk through the door and like kind of see her reaction. Hello! Hi! She's so confused. Hey baby, look! Balagan! Massive! She only notices Naomi, obviously.
I went to go get dinner and this girl was like behaving, but she was like, oh, I'm so she wanted
She got a snack. Yummy?
When Nana pushes him, Max stretches out his legs and feels the wind ruffle in his hair. Uh-oh! Oh, Max!
Okay guys, it is currently 11:43 at night. We are in the new house.
The end of day 2. Honestly, I hate packing, but unpacking and putting things in its place makes me really happy.
Naomi's sleeping in the swing. She just wanted to sleep in here because she feels like somebody's holding her. Aaliyah's sleeping in her new room. And yeah, day 2 almost coming to an end. I'm going to enjoy some ramen noodle soup.
Okay guys, looks like we have everything in order, right? But in reality, there's still so much to do. And we've been in here, what, almost a week?
That's cold.
It's also very, very cold, you guys. We do have Naomi in the back. She has her personal little heater right next to her. But I never thought that Florida would get this cold. We are officially almost a week into this new house. There hasn't really been much to vlog because we haven't, I mean, I don't want to say we haven't done anything. We slowly have been unpacking, but it's been very slow. There's still a lot to do.
Yeah. You've just been very busy, just like moving stuff from the old house to the new house, and like
he's been going back and forth a ton, trying to find a place for everything. Also, as much as this place does have a ton of storage, so we do have spots to put everything. Bathroom is still atrocious. The girls' rooms are not ready. Aaliyah's still sleeping in her pack and play, but slowly we're gonna tackle it all. We've officially started cooking in this new kitchen though, and I do like it, I have to say. But that's kind of a little update for today. Like I said, Naomi, she's got her own little heater over here, and she is super cozy. She's giving me the side eye right now, babe. This girl's got so much attitude. But this is the kitchen situation right now. So we had breakfast. Naomi's taking a nap right now, and I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning vacuuming little sections of the house. So as you guys know, this is our whole kitchen area. Eating area is going to be here, and then there's another corner in the kitchen that would typically be like a breakfast nook. But to be honest, I actually decided to make this a little play area for Aaliyah because I really like the fact that I can just be in the kitchen doing my own thing and she can be playing like right next to me. But in the move, we kind of just threw everything into all of her boxes. So I'm just going now and quickly organizing all of her toys. Gonna have all her books in one. She has a bunch of Love Every toys. I have to just go and organize them all too, because I noticed when her toys are out and displayed nicely and organized, she actually plays with them. But if everything is like thrown in a box, she doesn't even bother. She needs it to be nice and clean. But as you guys know, the floor here is super cold because it is a tile. So I also ordered some floor mats, which are like the foam puzzle piece ones. They were just delivered today. So as soon as this section is cleaned up, I can vacuum, wash the floor here, and put down that new foam padding so that she can sit on the floor without having her tissue be too cold. Okay, it's all set up now. Look how pretty. I love when you can easily see all of her toys. It's like so satisfying when it's actually clean. She'll definitely appreciate this when she's home. Evan just brought in a bunch of pillows. I don't know why we have so many pillows. And we also got in all our decor that at some point I need to find a place to put all of these on the wall. The upstairs, you guys. I mean, for someone who has like a very minimalist skincare routine, let me just say I didn't realize that I had so many products. Like a whole luggage. On Amazon, I got a ton of these organization boxes, and yesterday I went ahead and cleaned up the inside of the cabinet, so I'm gonna use it to kind of organize the entire space here. And I think the disaster is the closet. I still gotta change the light bulbs to white ones, but as much as I started, there is still a ton to go through. Really, if there's anything that this experience has made me do, it's become more of a minimalist. Having a ton of stuff, I just feel like it clutters your mind, and it's really crazy how as you go and pack all of these things, you really think to yourself, when was the last time that I used this? So because we were in such a rush to pack, I took everything. But before I go ahead and organize everything into the shelves, I really told myself that with looking at every product and every piece of clothing, I'm gonna ask myself, have I worn this in the last 6 months? And will I wear this in the next 6 months? If the answer is no, it's something that I'm gonna be giving away to a friend or donating and just making use of because it's just taking up space here. Hello! Again with the shark hair. Naomi! I cleaned up that corner, babe.
Oh, this corner.
Aaliyah's corner. Oh my gosh! I just realized it's in a corner. Aaliyah, I cleaned up your corner. Yeah. Oh no, guys, we have a problem. Our pantry in the other house was literally hidden away. And she knows that now we put it here.
Oh my god.
Well.
Bamba? Okay.
Aaliyah, what is that?
Okay.
You guys don't know what bamba is? It's basically an Israeli peanut butter puff snack. They have like different versions of it at Trader Joe's and stuff, but the original bamba is like superior. Can I have one? Give me one, please. Not for your mouth. Thank you.
Aaliyah,
You think that we're cleaning, but we're really just putting things from one room to the next.
Aaliyah sleeping. Took a little bit of false sleep. Naomi just fell asleep right now.
I have to vent. I love this girl, but she always peaks around like 6, 7, 8 o'clock. Like she wants to be awake, but not only awake, like she needs to be held. And that is the one time where like Aaliyah's actually sleeping that I can get stuff done.
And the thing is, like, it's kind of our fault because we have help coming. Like Haley's family's coming in like end of January because that's the initial time we're supposed to move.
Yeah.
But we got the okay to move earlier and we're very impatient and we just took it.
Do you know how we packed, you guys? We didn't even pack. We literally just shoved something in a box and wrote this cabinet.
At least we did that, babe. Last move we just shoved things in a box and we had it packed for a month.
I don't let him do any of the organization. I pretty much let him do all the heavy lifting because if he organizes stuff, I'm never gonna see them again.
Hey, what's wrong?
I'm just jealous, okay?
Of what?
You're gonna get to eat in peace right now. And when you weren't here, I had to eat dinner and I was holding Naomi and she wanted to be rocked.
So you could have waited. I would have
so I
taken
was rocking her and then I ate and then a piece of rice fell on her head. And I'm like, why is this my life right now? This is so sad.
Phoebe, it's not sad.
No,
it's
I love her, but it's like whenever I feel like I need a moment to myself, I don't have it.
I literally came home and Haley's like, she's yours. And I took her and I held her for 10 minutes and she passed out. And I put her here.
You suck. No, I'm kidding, you guys. Honestly, this is just postpartum hormones, like the breastfeeding and all that stuff. Like, he's a big help. He's the best dad ever. You guys know. I'm just not used to it because, like, Aaliyah was not a baby that just needs to be held all the time.
Yeah.
And Naomi is, and I'm just not used to it.
I think it's just overwhelming because we have so much things to do. And, you know, Haley's gonna have a nice good cry holding these boxes.
It makes me feel better to cry.
I know. I go pack some more.
Okay guys, broke a sweat. I washed the whole half of the kitchen, and like I said, I got the puzzle piece from Amazon. You're probably wondering, why is there a huge gray blob? This is actually what it's supposed to look like, but I don't want you to see the gray because I kind of like the white and the beige only. The gray is where the nugget couch is going to be, so you're not going to be able to see it because of that, but I am going to order one more. I got 2 packs. I'm going to get 3, but I'm slowly putting it together. Okay you guys, it is just before midnight. Naomi is like so ready to go to bed, but I finished cleaning up the kitchen, and let's just say it is looking so good. Didn't get a chance to do the dishes, but hey, some things I like to leave for tomorrow. I still need to get 1 more pack of tiles so I can kind of extend the playmat a little bit more. But even this corner, guys, it is so freaking cute. And then we got Naomi's bassinet and swing right over here too. And dining table here. Eventually, we're also gonna get a TV up here because I personally really love to cook while watching shows. But as beautiful and clean as this whole section looks, tomorrow we're tackling this, the entire living room. Most of it is like empty boxes and stuff. But yeah, we have another full day of cleaning ahead. Hang on, you holding up okay?
I thought we were done.
Let me lead the way. You guys probably know this rug, my favorite checker rug. It was in Aaliyah's playroom in the other house. And here, I was so certain that it wasn't gonna fit. I even like listed it on Facebook Marketplace and everything. And then when someone actually was interested in buying it, I was like, let me go ahead and measure Aaliyah's room one more time. And it's perfect. You okay? Maybe I should help you.
Yeah, story of my life.
I'm so excited it's actually gonna fit here.
Need any help?
No. How satisfying is that? It's perfect. So I want to go ahead and build the crib, but Naomi just needed to be around, so I pulled out. Oh, she's smiling. I pulled out the baby bouncer for the first time, and you guys, she's nestled in there so perfectly. And I was just like lightly bouncing it like this, and she fell asleep so fast. She was watching the clouds before. She really liked it. But I'm curious to see if this is gonna be a game changer. I'm actually gonna be able to free up my hands a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and build this now, and hopefully she'll take a nap the whole time until I'm done. The thing is, you guys, I took apart this entire crib and I don't remember how to put it back together again. So I really need to like improvise and figure it out somehow. Okay, we are now in Naomi's room, have her rug and all her decor right here. You guys know I literally just completed the nursery. It's this video right over here a couple of weeks ago before she came, and I can't believe that now I had to move it all here. The nice thing is that it's all decorated and the floor actually matches the furniture that I have really well. So I'm gonna lay down the rug, and then after that we can get to building her crib. It's the next day. I know that this vlog is kind of jumping all over the place, but it's only because every day I'm doing little by little as much as I can with a newborn. But I actually cleaned up the entire living room area yesterday. I washed all the floors and I got out all the artwork, as you can see. Obviously, we still need to find a place for everything, and I still have some things I need to go through and kind of decide where I want them in the house. I think that this section of the living room right here is going to be kind of like my content corner. This is probably where I'm going to be like filming reels and videos, and like if I ever want to try on some clothing and show it to you guys, it's probably going to be in this space right here. So I want it to look really nice for like filming reasons. I think behind me I'm going to go ahead and put some artwork, so if I want to go and take selfies of my daily outfits, I'm going to have something behind me. That's something I really want to do. I really want to start taking literally daily photos and posting it on Instagram for like outfit inspiration and stuff. Right now it's still impossibly hard for me to dress myself because still nothing fits me. I mean, these overalls used to be super baggy and like you can see that they're really tight, but I am trying to make work with what I can. I have a lot of like emotions and feelings when it comes to postpartum and like getting back to myself. Not necessarily with like losing weight, because obviously that's not a priority. My body's been through a lot. Growing a human, it took 9 months for me to grow the baby. It's for sure gonna take at least 9 months for me to like physically be back to myself. But I've definitely been having a lot of struggles with like fashion in general lately. If you guys have noticed, there hasn't been a lot of fashion content on this channel. It's just because it's something I'm kind of trying to like rediscover with myself right now. I want to get into talking about that in a whole nother video. But anyway, before I ramble on, let's go and do some more stuff today. I'm in Naomi's room right now, and I'm telling you, I actually had a really great progress with doing stuff in this room yesterday. Obviously still got a ton of boxes and stuff to unpack. I ordered these 2 rack shelves, like wire shelves, that I'm gonna go and put here, one on each side, and that'll make it so much easier for me to organize her clothing without having to do actual built-ins. But as you saw, we got the rug down yesterday. I love how much light is streaming in from the window. I got the crib built and a couple of her little accessories, the dressers right here. Gotta obviously make it cute, and my chair, my beloved chair. So something I've been wanting to do for the longest time is open this up, and if you guys don't know what it is, so I don't know if you guys remember, but in Aaliyah's playroom, even in Canada, we had this sign that I made for her. Well, I didn't make it. I went on Facebook Marketplace and I saw that people were selling these like customized wood names. So I got Aaliyah's and I went ahead and stained it myself with my favorite stain color. I obviously wanted to get one for Naomi too, and this time I just ordered it on Etsy, and I haven't opened it. I've been like so intrigued to see what it's looking like. Oh, so cute. Oh my gosh. I mean, right now it's the pale wood. I do have some stain left, so I want to stain it this color so that I can match the furniture better. That is gonna look so freaking cute. Okay, you guys, I know I'm in a different outfit. It's actually another day. I'm starting off the next vlog. I just realized that I didn't do an outro for the last one because my head's been all over the place, but thank you guys so much for watching. So excited that you guys are along with this whole journey. In the next vlog, which is today, you guys are gonna see that I'm gonna be doing all the decorating. We're actually gonna put some frames up, the pictures up, the mirrors. Yeah, I also lost my voice. Having the kids at home does that to us. But if you guys are watching up to now, then you are the real MVPs. You are my favorite kind of people. We love the ones that stick all the way to the end. If you are watching up to now, then comment down below making moves, because officially, guys, we are really making moves, and I love responding to you guys' comments. If you can tell, I really try to respond to every single one of the comments I get. So be sure to leave a comment down below. Also follow me on Instagram if you aren't already, to see me on a day-to-day. And otherwise, we love you guys so much. Subscribe down below if you haven't already to join the amazing Hey family. And with all that, we can't wait to see you guys in our next one. Bye.